Hi, this is Jeffrey Kurt Financial Group, and today is Friday, November 15, 2024, and we've kind of lost some of the momentum in the markets from the rally after the election. In fact, after the election, of November 5 through November 11, the S&P 500 was up 5.5%, which is historically very high, after an election in that short of time period. This week where the stocks are down, we haven't given it all back. Still up, for the month and from the election. Although the Nasdaq is down over 2% this week and is pretty weak this morning. And I'll come back to that because I think it points to some of the changes going on in the markets. Part of the weakness this week is that Jerome Powell made a speech yesterday, pretty hawkish in tone, and in fact makes the quote, "in no hurry," end quote, to reduce interest rates. So, that was out there. That didn't help the stock market. And, the strong dollar, that's been, I think, a headwind. And again, forcing some changes. Interest rates are up. So that's another, change in the market. And one of the things I want to point out, and I've talked about, is that there's, I think, a lot of, within the landscape of the economy and the markets, a lot of change going on. And here's a heat map of the S&P 500, just showing that big tech and pharma have been, losers. The winners have been financials, some industrials, some energy, and some small cap stuff are beginning to trade better too. So again, these changes, I think, are subtle, and it's really not making headlines yet. But I think you need to adjust the way you think about things, even if you've got just an index fund or a 60/40 or a target date fund. I think it's helpful to think about some of the changes that are going on. That's what we've been doing, and I think it's there's some real opportunities here that set up for going into the year end as well as longer too. But we could talk about those further. Thank you for listening. Appreciate the comments. Please like and subscribe. Let us know if we can help you at all, and have a great weekend. Thank you again. Goodbye.